Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your Etsy shop. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're migrating off of Etsy and maybe you're going onto your own website, or maybe you're selling on your own brick and mortar store. How do you actually go ahead and close your Etsy shop? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Etsy. Then in the upper right hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then click on Account Settings. Now on this page here on the left-hand side, click on Settings again, then click on Options. Then here, you want to click on Close Shop on the right-hand side. So what this is going to do is that it's going to ask you a few questions and confirm that you actually want to go ahead and close your shop. Now, please make sure this is something that you want to do because it is a major decision, and with it, you also can reopen your shop at any time. No one can use your shop name, and reviews left for your shop and your shop's sold items will remain public. So go ahead and fill out this information to the best of your ability, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and close your shop on Etsy. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.